In this video, we are going to learn how to design this outer casing of hair dryer. So let's start. So I'll take a new file, part and OK. So here we'll take front plane and create one center point arc. We're defining the radius of this to 25. Exit. Now we'll select the front plane, go to reference geometry and take plane option. We're defining the next offset of 60 distance. OK. Now we'll select this plane. Now we'll make one more center arc. So define the center point, start point and end point. So I need upper side. We'll define the radius value of 35. Exit. Now again we'll take reference geometry plane, select this plane and defining the distance to be 100. OK. We'll select this, sketch on it. So we'll take center point arc, define the center, define the start point and end point. So we'll keep equal to 25. So it already made equal to 25. Now we'll exit from the sketch. We'll go to surface tab, taking lofted surface command. We'll select here all the sketch one by one. So here we'll select sketch 1, sketch 2. Make sure that should be aligned in the same direction, and sketch 3. Arrange this point here and do OK. So if you want to change the appearance of your sketch, we'll go to edit appearance. We have appearance. We can take plastic appearance or different appearance. I'll take here shiny cream backs and do OK. Or you have more darker, you can take different other colors. So I'll take this one. Now we need to mirror this other side. So we'll select the surface and go to feature tab. Taking a mirror tool, we'll select the plane. Let's see which plane. Here we have the top plane. In front of that, we'll take a top plane to mirror the component. Do OK. So now these are two different surfaces. We have to combine into one surface. For that, we'll use knit surface method. Go to surface, go to knit surface, select surface 1, surface 2, and click on merge entities and do OK. Let me hide all the planes. Now we'll make the bottom portion of, now we'll make the handle of the hair dryer. So for that we'll use right plane, sketch on it. So how the shape we want to design, we just define the shape. I'm taking a slot shape. So defining one slot, exit, taking one more plane from the same right plane again and defining that to be 150 distance and do OK. Now we'll select this plane, sketch on it. We'll make one more slot from the same center point. Now this should be smaller than the previous size. Exit. Now we can hide this plane and we'll use loft surface command. We'll select this and this. So that will be combined into one sketch. Do OK. Now I have to cut this area. So for that we use trim command. So we'll go to trim surface. So we have to tell which is tool and which is that part we remove. So I say this is my trim tool and that part I have to remove it. Do OK. Again one more time we will remove because this is a wire area. We have to pass the wire from here. So that area should be open from here. So we'll go to trim surface. Again we define the trimming tool. So trimming tool is this part and I have to remove this area. I'll select that and do OK. So this become perfectly hollow. Now I have to close this area. So for that cases we'll use fill surface. We'll go to fill surface option. We'll select the edges and add the surface and do OK. Now we have to combine all the surfaces into one. For that, again we'll use knit surface. We'll select surfaces, multiple surfaces, and take the option merge entities, do OK. Now we have to apply thickness to this body. So we'll go to option thickness, we'll select this part, adding a thickness to outer inner direction. I'm taking a thickness of 2 mm. So 1 mm inside and 1 mm outside I'm taking here, do OK. Okay, so if you want it should be added one side, we can change the thickness. We can make this to be outer only and do OK. So like that way thickness is added. Now I need to add some fillets. So we can use feature tab. So we'll take fillet command. We'll select this edge and this edge, defining the 5 radius, do OK. And we'll apply fillet on this edge also. We'll take fillet command. We'll select this edge and this edge, defining the radius value to 2 and do OK. So this is how we have prepared the outer casing of the hair dryer body. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.